Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this luscious chocolate chip cookies. We don't need stand mix, we don't need hand mix. We are going to just make it with just a simple whisk. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. To start off, here in a large bowl, I'm adding 4 ounces of soft butter. Make sure it's really soft. Half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, because we are adding both the sugar so that it gives this nice caramelized color. Now go ahead and cream with spatula. This is why you need to have the butter at room temperature, so it's easy to work with since we are going to just whisk it with the hand. If you're using a hand mix or stand mix, go ahead and use them definitely. Here I have 1 egg room temperature, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Go ahead and use the whisk until it's nice and creamy. It might take little time, but if your butter is really soft at room temperature, it's gonna be easy to work with. As you can see, the mixture is nice and creamy. At this point, I'm gonna add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda in a Swift, and go ahead and Swift all the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, leaving any lumps behind. Now, you wanna just gently mix it. You don't wanna over-mix this mixture. You wanna just fold them, combine them until the dough comes together. That's all we have to do. And also we're going to add some chocolate chip. Here I'm using semi-sweet chocolate, 1 cup. You can actually use dark chocolate if you prefer. Since we already have sugar, you don't want too much of sugar, then you can definitely go ahead and add dark chocolate for making this cookies. Gently fold this chocolate chip into the cookie dough. Here I have my baking tray lined with the parchment paper. I'm also using a tablespoon size of a dough so that equally bakes when we bake them. I'm going to just scoop them and place it in the cookie sheet, and now refrigerate for at least 20 minutes. This is what gives this nice flat cookie. Remove from the fridge, and if you want to save it for later purpose, you can actually freeze them individually for 2 to 3 months. When you're ready to bake the cookies, add few rock salts, optional, and few chocolate chip, again it's an optional. And I'm also preheating my oven at 350 degree, and I'm going to bake this for 12 to 16 minutes. Once that is done, let it cool at least for 5 to 7 minutes before you transfer into a cooling rack. Now, you can serve this with a cup of milk or just indulge as it is. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.